Okay, now let's see how to transfer funds via decentralized exchanges. We have developed several plugins to support new features of decentralized exchanges. The plugins can load the necessary libraries for the blockchain platform and load the necessary libraries for the crypto wallet. We use EOS as our blockchain platform and Scatter as the crypto wallet. So first of all, we need to load the necessary libraries for both of the platforms. If you use mainnet of EOS, just keep the default values of the parameters and you don't need to change them. But in our experiment, we use our local PC and the local testnet. So we need to change the two parameters. One is the endpoint of our testnet. Okay, so a dialog will prompt it out, and we just need to click login to allow Scatter to sign in to our account. Okay, successfully done. And after that, we need to propose a transaction. Please note, don't use the values in our example because you will have different situation. So please set up the values according to your actual situation. We use and the proposal name can be any string, and we just use tst1 as our proposal's name. And in our experiment, and we use token A as our asset to transfer. Proposer is Mark. And exchange, and we have created an account for exchange. The name is exchange, so we just import exchange. Please note, your proposer name and exchange's name and escrow account's name must be different. So please import the values according to your actual situation. Don't follow the values in this example. I have created an escrow account for Mark, and the name is escrow Mark. So we import escrow Mark as this value. And the amount should be 100 because I have transferred 100 to the escrow account. So we will propose to transfer 100 token A to exchange. So we need to set up 100 as amount value. And after that, we just need to launch this EA, and a dialog will pop up again, and we just need to allow. Okay, it's done. After that, we need to approve that, right? But in our situation, Mark proposes a transaction to the decentralized exchange, and the decentralized exchange will approve the transaction. So we need to switch our account to decentralized exchange to make decentralized exchange approve the transaction. So now we need to switch to decentralized exchanges account. We use this account. And after we switch, we need to refresh balances. Okay. And then we need to approve. Proposer is Mark, and the approver is exchange. Well, let's refresh. After we refresh the page, and we need to load the libraries again, because after we refresh the page, and the libraries will be removed from the cache. Okay, it's done. And we just need to approve the proposal, right? So we use okay, just allow. Okay, done. Right? So the proposal is approved. So now we just need to execute the transaction. And it can be done by anybody, because now the proposal is approved. So anybody can execute the transaction. Not just by Mark, not just by exchange. It can be any account. Okay? So now we just need to use our exchange account to approve, to execute the transaction. Proposal's name is TST1, and proposer is Mark, and execute is exchange. Okay, done. So now if you check the account's balance, escrow max balance account, you can find it's 0 because 100 TOKA has been transferred to exchange's account. Okay, so if you check exchange's account, you can see 100 TOKA has been transferred. So the process is done successfully. Okay, so now you can you have seen a complete example of how decentralized exchanges works. It's a little bit complicated, but it's good to small financial institutions because they can join to the business flow and can do more things and can help more for us. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.